Hello guys, what's up? This is your boy Crystal, Big Sean, and today I actually wanted to try Windows 98 in my computer, but unfortunately wasn't able to download and install it for my computer. But don't worry, I found an option for that. I'm gonna use an online PC for that, an emulator. Let me go. PCJ. Here we go. In this website, we can use virtual machines like emulators. So today I'm going to try Windows 98 because I'm curious how the things went almost 30 years ago. So let's go and boot up the Windows 95, right? Let's go. So today we got Compact Desk Pro 386 4MB RAM IBM VGA computer. Let's go. Windows starting and we got a VGA color display. Now we went back to 30 years. Alright guys, let's find some information about this computer using Copilot. Okay, here we go until the computer boots up. Oh, the Compact Desk Pro 386, a true classic from the late 80s. This machine was a powerhouse in its time, featuring the Intel 8386 processor, which was a significant leap from its predecessors. With 4 MB RAM, man, in 2024, bro, like 24 GB RAM is not enough to run like super task like Adobe Photoshop. I mean, like high graphic demanding games. Back in the 30 years ago, like 4 MB RAM means like a huge fortune. So, and an IBM VGA graphics card, it was well equipped for both business and personal use. The Desk Pro 386 was known for its robust build and reliability, making it a popular choice among professionals. Not gonna lie, this brand, the Compact, is an amazing one. Actually, I tried and I used Compact laptop like 15 years ago, back in the 2010, I think. It's actually amazing. Even without a battery, I just use it without a with a charger only. But I don't even shut down the computer. Like it's 100% perfect. So it like Windows 3.0. All right. Our computer was boot up. So guys, let's go. I'm gonna get on the full screen. Alright guys, now we are using the Windows 95. Welcome to Windows 95. Did you know, if you don't know how to do something, you can look it up in help. Just click the start button and click help. Let's see what's new 30 years ago. Okay, Windows help. To find out how Windows has changed, click one of the buttons below. How do I start programs? Alright. What happened to my program groups? Okay. Wait, what? We got Microsoft Office like 30 years ago? Damn. Ah, yeah. Yes, because there was like Notepad and stuff. Okay. Let's try to do something. Let's see whether the online registration function is working right now. No modem is available on this system. If you do not install a modem, you will not be able to run this application. Would you like to install one now? Let's try it. Because I'm pretty sure I have network in my computer, so I don't know. Windows will now try to detect your modem. Before continuing, you should, if the modem is attached to your computer, make sure it is turned on. Quit any programs that may be using the modem. Look at this symbol. What is this? Manufacturer. Click the manufacturer modem if your modem is listed. What? maybe we can go no, something like that. Okay, please wait while Windows installs your modem. Let's see. What country are you in now? I'm in Italy. So let's go and find the country Italy, but where is it? Here we go. What area code? What area or city? Hmm, I don't know. Maybe let's try typing. Your modem has been set up successfully. Thank God. But where is the modem? Okay. Here we go. Let's type Big Sean for this. Company name. I don't have a company, so this is for myself. Florence. Tuscany. City is Florence. I don't know, just let's type some random stuff, okay? I actually didn't expect it to come this far, actually. Include system into registration. What's going on? There is no refresh button. This program has performed an illegal operation and will be shut down. If the problem persists, contact the program vendor. I thought that. Let's go for my computer. What we got here? Web 386, command, Windows. I don't think we have much stuff to do in here, but don't worry. I will try to run some programs, but there are no any games. I think no, we don't have any programs, but don't worry. Actually, I'm gonna use the Microsoft Copilot to get some commands. I am using Windows 95 right now. Give me some commands to type in CMD for fun. Just wanna test it. Okay, here we got some commands, so I'm gonna try them right now. First of all, I'm gonna type this one. I think it's directories or something like that. Let's go for the start, then programs, then ms-dos prompt. Okay, dir. Okay, here we go. All the directories. Let's type clean. Oh, it's not working. What about exit? Oh, it's working. What else we got? Tree displays a graphical representation of the groups. Okay, let's type tree. dir. Here we go. Then tree. Wow. Then again dir. No, it's not working. dir. Alright, so what else we got to run in here? Shows the amount of used and free memory in your system. Let's check the memory. MEM. Memory type conventional, upper reserved, external. Extended. Total 640. Okay. And okay, I don't think we can do uh much stuff. Echo hello. Prints hello world to the screen. I still remember when I was learning ICT in my college, I used Pascal for that. Let's clean. I don't know how to clean. Let's check the system time in this computer. Time. The time is 6 and 3 seconds, 770 milliseconds. Okay, so what's the date? No. Since we cannot do much stuff in here, I actually don't know what to do because there are no even the games. That's it. What is this? Oh wait, taskbar. No. Okay. So that's it. So we just use the Windows 95. Actually, in this version of the emulator, we don't have much stuff, even the games. So let's try to play the Doom. Where is the Doom? Oh, it's not available. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna decrease the volume a little bit. Just give me a second. Okay, 25% is enough. So we got Wolfenstein 3D. But we doesn't have the Doom, but it's fine. We got a 1981 game which was 42 years old, 43 years old. And let's try to play Wolfenstein since we're running a 95 computer. So now we have a less powerful computer. Same computer but with less RAM. Let's play Wolfenstein 3D. Let's go, it's running. Okay, here we go. I don't know what to do in here. Press a key, but I just want to use the mouse, man. It's currently loading. Oh, okay. Oh no. Yeah, it's currently loading. So we gotta wait like few minutes since we are in 1995 right now. I don't think my mouse will work in this computer because in the options I wasn't able to use the mouse. Okay. Read this. Change view. Control. Customize control. Yes, I cannot use the mouse. What? Let's go for a new game. Okay. Let's go with the first option. How's this working? Oh, okay. How to shoot? I don't know how to shoot. Sorry. Bro, how to play this game? How to shoot? Oh shit. What happened? Sorry. Mm, now we can play this game. Donkey.BAS PC DOS 1.00 1981. Let's go. What is going on? What? 64 KB RAM? Bruh, 64 KB RAM. We had to give a command. Okay. Oh, it's working. Oh. Oh shit. Let's go, let's go. Look, we played this game on a 64 KB RAM. So I'm gonna use the ChatGPT for simple calculation, okay? So let's see. As a percentage, how powerful is 16 GB RAM comparative to 80s 64 KB RAM? Let's see. Look at here. 250,000, 250,000 times powerful in terms of memory capacity, okay? So it's like 25 million times greater in capacity in 64 kilobytes to 16 GB. As an example, I'm using my computer with 16 GB RAM. Here you go, because this is a laptop. So just imagine how powerful the computers are right now. And so that's it, because I wasn't able to do much stuff in the Windows 95 since this is an emulator, and I think this is like the first version of the Windows 95. So that's it. By the way, thank you guys so much for watching, and check out my YouTube channel. There are like a couple of interesting videos over there, tech reviews, travel logs, and many more. So give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any questions or any kind of problems, any suggestions, advices for me. Just comment and let me know, and there is my email in the about section. So if you want to contact me for any purposes or anything, just let me know, right? And I really appreciate your support, and actually thank you so much for watching this video. And here is the link for this website, and I will put in the description. And this is actually very fun, and I really want to thank this website for bringing us the nostalgia, like 50 years ago, 40 years ago, 30 years ago. So guys, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.